Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. So I purchased this a while ago and it was like about $20, and it's I guess a vegetable spinner. So I normally just rinse off my vegetables in the black strainer right there, but I totally forgot that I had this. Now you might not want to use it for coleslaw because the cabbage is already cut up fine and it might slip through, but it's worked fine. It's just a little bit slipped through, went through. And so it's mainly like for salads, green leaves, things like that. That's bigger, but this worked fine. You just rinse it through, which I did, by the way. I already rinsed it, put the water through, and then I am drying it. I love this because I normally try to damp it with napkins, and all it does is basically just transfer all the coleslaw on the napkin, and it's like a mess. So that's a little bit that went through. So if you want to save it, hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So it came out really good. It dried it very well, and because normally I'm very impatient that I don't dry it well enough, and I end up getting my mayo sauce with my coleslaw, and it becomes really like wet. So this works really well if you are like me. So I scraped as much as I possibly could to not waste, and this is the mayo that I use. It's from Vaughn's. It's organic. I was never a mayo person. Hate mayo, but I love this one. Normally in my family we eat Belize and Heinz product, salad dressing, but in this house normally would be only me and my oldest son. But my husband would eat mayo, my youngest would eat mayo. But with this mayo, I will not eat any other mayo if it's not this brand. I'm sorry. This is the Heinz salad dressing creamer, the Heinz salad cream that we get. So anyways, normally I will put raisins. Some people put sugar, but I can't eat a lot of sweets. And so I just eliminate that. And this is all I'm making it with, just simple coleslaw and mayo, and that's it. So, but add your raisins. Normally I've tasted raisins with salads. Oh my God, those are so good. But I have to eliminate a lot of sweets as I possibly could. So that's it, you guys. Just simple, easy, quick. You have to run out the door. You don't have time for your veggies to drain. Normally I would leave it in the black one the little black strainer that you saw, and let it sit, do some errands, come back, dry it with the napkin, come back, dry it again, napkin. But this right here, it works really great. So I don't like to store stuff in plastic. Sometimes I have to, but I'm trying to eliminate my plastics, and and get my glass Tupperware. There's not a lot of large, like round, like bowl that I have seen or yet to buy as a set that is glass, but I will keep looking if you can eliminate plastic in your storage or use whatever. I'm guilty. I am using it right now, but I will not store it. So anyways, there you have it. I think this day I did like rice and beans, chicken, plantains, and coleslaw for my hubby. So that's it right there. Look, it's not even, normally by now it already be like water, just mixed in there somewhere. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I think I got this from like Walmart or somewhere like that. I don't know. It's like really inexpensive. And I got it a while ago. The salad spinner. So anyways, guys, this is something that's easy for the house and it really helps. So if you want to go purchase it, you could try and get it at Target, Walmart. Bye bye.